How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. This is Airpods 2 second generation with wireless case. By the way, this is a fake Airpods which I bought. There's not gonna be a link in the description down below, so don't. You can find these very cheap anywhere. So the reason I bought these fake Airpods is apparently with the iOS 16 you can detect if you have fake AirPods. So let's see if this is true. I'm very excited to try that. Let me open the fake AirPods with my trusty knife here, which is very nice. This is a very good knife, unboxing knife, which I bought. I love it. So let's unbox these fake AirPods, which actually you can find everywhere. You can get these AirPods from everywhere. Doesn't my knife is? Yeah, I think. Yeah, perfect. Fake AirPods. iOS 16 actually detects that. It says that this is not a genuine product, which is good because the fake market with the products is just insane. You can get a lot of fake products, and they're getting closer to the genuine products, which is very frustrating for some people. Let me put my knife away. And let's unbox the fake AirPods 2 second gen. Yeah, as you can see, this is not very easy. So the packaging looks very similar to the original one. I don't have the original AirPods 2, but this is a little bit faded. It's a little bit darker. I believe the original box is much you can see there's a difference. But if you don't know, if you don't have a clue 100%, you think this is original. So let's see what we have here. We have designed by Apple in California. I don't think so. What else we have here? Let's see. We have a user manual with everything here, and it says how to connect. Pretty much the real deal. There is no Apple stickers for some reason. I wish there was an Apple sticker, but there's no Apple sticker. Let's see what else we have here in the box. We have the charger, and this is pretty much. Let me put this on the side. So we have the charger, which is exactly the same as the original. And we have the AirPods 2. This looks exactly the original thing, man. Oh my god, this is so crazy. Let's peel this off. If I try. Oh boy. Yeah, this is the satisfying thing to do, which I can't. Okay, I need my trusty knife. I need my trusty knife. I hope I don't do some damage here. Okay, here we go. Put this on the side. And this is the AirPods 2 second generation with wireless case. I will try that. I don't think that we have a battery, if I'm honest with you, because yeah, it doesn't light. So yeah, let me charge this fake bad boy, and I'll get back to you in a second. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so that's why you should not buy fake products. Doesn't matter what products they are, don't buy them. I tried to charge this case with the headphones. I tried different cables, about 10 cables I tried, and this thing doesn't charge. What actually is doing is just we have this orange light that obviously should charge. I left this for 24 hours, for 48 hours in the charge, and still doesn't charge. It's just flicking. And after I remove the cable, so you can see nothing is going on. So probably this is one of the defected probably cases, or maybe something is wrong with the actual headphones. But overall, this is a fake product, so don't buy fake products because you're gonna waste money, time, and sound quality is not gonna be perfect. So my advice is buy genuine products. Don't buy fake products because you're gonna spend money and time, and this probably will work for a couple of days, maybe weeks, and then we'll stop. They look exactly the same as the Apple Genium AirPods, but yeah, my advice is don't buy them. And that's why I bought this from, you can buy it from everywhere, just to show you that it's not worth it. And I wanted to try them because apparently you got the animation with everything on for the iPhone when you use them. But make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because I'll not stop there. I'm gonna make a different video with a different AirPod products, so make sure to subscribe to do that, to see the video when it's ready. But overall, this is fake Apple AirPods 2nd gen, which actually they're not very good, and that's why I did this video, just to show you that it's not worth it. There we have it, guys. AirPods 2 fake, don't buy them. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh my god.